Joseph, a safe vessel for glory. Joseph is fascinating here. He receives revelation early, dreams of exaltation, sheaves bowing, sun and moon imagery. And what happens immediately afterward? Humiliation, pit, slavery, false accusation, prison. Why? Because revelation arrived before the vessel was ready. Joseph initially shares the dreams almost naively. There's immaturity there. God does not cancel the revelation, he processes the man carrying it. That's important. Sometimes delay is not denial, it is formation. The prison becomes Joseph's thorn, a place where ambition dies, where dependence deepens, where character catches up to calling. By the time Joseph reaches power, he no longer sounds self-exalting. Notice the shift. Early Joseph, look at my dreams. Later Joseph, interpretations belong to God. That is transformation.